Hey Pro Bono Good Business crew, Claire Desira here with another mental health hack for you and your team. We know that these are the videos you've been responding to most each month, and so we're back here again with another surefire way to get that great mindset happening in your team. Today I want to talk to you about how you end the week with your team. And this is something so simple to do that it's also so simple to underestimate how powerful it can be, especially for your team members. But this one is just simply creating a culture, a habit in your team where you all thank each other for something on a Friday afternoon. And the trick is to be as genuine as you possibly can, not just thanking someone for something superficial. Now, if not everybody can thank everyone for something, that's okay, but it's just the importance of where there is a genuine reason to thank each other, actually getting that out in the open is one of the last things you all do together as a team. Or if you're working virtually, it might be by email or by a phone call. As specific as you can get, the better. And also over time, what you're really doing is you're creating a culture and a routine for your team to look out for these moments because they know that this is going to be coming on a Friday afternoon and they're going to want to be able to do this well. So by you taking the lead, thanking everyone in your team for something really specific on a Friday, doesn't have to be anything formal. It could be just chucking everybody a chocolate on a Friday and saying thanks, or it could be a phone call or a quick email, but making sure that you specifically set in time to do this. What you're doing is you're giving your team a chance to experience some really solid positive emotion that's tailored towards them before they leave the office. When they do this, if you can disrupt their busy Friday afternoon, you'll give them a chance for new neurons to fire in their brain, for them to actually walk out of the office with a bit more of a spring in their step. You know what? This can also help them switch off over the weekend and also come into Monday with maybe a case of Monday-itis that's a little less severe than normal. Really simple to do, really simple to miss, but really, really valuable. And like I said, over time, what you're doing is you're creating an expectation in your team that this is something that happens on a Friday, which means it doesn't only impact them during the activity, but it also trains their brain's filter to look out for things within their team to thank each other for. It's a real goodie. Have some fun with it. Let me know how it goes, and we'll be back next month with another mindset hack. Thanks. And just one more thing. If you're interested in us supporting you and your team in any way to help you build stronger resilience and mindset, to support you through change, to support with understanding your employees better and in new ways, then sign up for our latest services document below. We've booked out for the next few months solid, but we've just expanded our team, and so we do have some openings to work with some new clients. So if that's something that's of interest to you, please do check that out and follow the links below, and we'll be in touch. Have a great week.